In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Display. Then scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style. Select Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Now to install Rosemary One, click on this icon right next to it and wait for it to be ready. Then go back to the list in your settings and click on Rosemary font here to apply it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!